Hello everyone, this video is for 12th Standard HSC Board Science IT students. We will quickly go through the chapters and their weightage, the types of questions expected from each chapter, and the paper pattern for the board exam. IT paper is for 100 marks, 20 marks for practical and 80 marks for the online theory paper. There are 6 chapters and a allotted weightage you can see on the screen. Objectives will be asked from all the chapters. Programs are from Chapter 1 and 3, HTML and JavaScript respectively. Answer and brief are from Chapter 2, 4 and 6. From Chapter 5, PHP, only objectives will be asked. No short questions or program will be asked. In the paper pattern, you will see the following. Fill in the blanks, true or false, single correct answer. All have 10 questions, 1 mark each. 2 correct answers, 10 questions, 2 marks each, total 20 marks. 3 correct answers, 2 questions, 3 marks each, total 6 marks. Match the following, 4 questions, 1 mark each, total 4 marks. Answer in brief, answer any 5 out of 8 questions, 2 marks each to score 10 marks. If you answer all 8, the best of 5 will be considered. 2 HTML programs are given, answer any one for 5 marks. 2 JavaScript programs are given, answer any one, 5 marks. To score 10 marks, answer 1 HTML and 1 JavaScript program. If you answer both HTML and both JavaScript programs, the best of each will be considered.